Hi. This is Dr. Jessica Davis, the founder and CEO of the Princeton Marketing Agency in Princeton, New Jersey. Do you like my avatar? Thank you. I hope you are having a good day. I had a great day today. I wanted to be the first to welcome you to Sqribble, a new cutting-edge technology that is taking the publishing industry by storm. You can now create professional ebooks in minutes. You can literally create stunning ebooks even if you have not written one word. Writer's block is no longer an issue. If you have been publishing or wanting to publish Kindle ebooks on Amazon, you can now do it with great ease with Kindle and other digital platforms. Because we are so excited about this new technology, we have included 3 amazing bonuses seen below for the first 100 people who purchase Sqribble today. We have already reserved 25 of the 100 bonus spots. Let's look at the bonuses below. Bonus 1 is the Self-Publishing Guide, valued at $197. Bonus 2 is the $5,000 Publishing Paydays Training, valued at $97. And bonus number 3 is How to Turn 3 Books into 7 Books and Double Your Profits, valued at $197. This is a total bonus value of $500. To get these 3 amazing bonuses, when you purchase Sqribble, forward us your receipt to the email address princetonbonus@gmail.com. Again, send your receipt to princetonbonus@gmail.com. Okay, it's time to get you using Sqribble. There is an 8-minute review video below that will show you why we are so excited about this cutting-edge technology. After you watch the video, click the button below to get instant access to Sqribble and the bonuses. We have a discount coupon for you as well if you purchase Sqribble today. Watch the video and then click the button below to get instant access to Sqribble with the discount coupon and the bonuses while they last. Before you go and watch the review video, we have 2 extra bonuses today for you if you share this website page with your friends. Just go to the bottom of the page and click the Facebook and Twitter icons and share this page. As thanks, we will send you the 2 extra bonuses below after you share and submit your name and email for instant access to Sqribble. Extra bonus number 1 is Discover How I Made Over $6,000 in 7 days. This bonus includes a website funnel with an income system. This has a value of $497. Extra bonus number 2, a tutorial on how to make a squeeze page in 10 minutes to capture emails. This has a value of $197. The extra bonuses have a total value of $700. You will get these 2 bonuses just for sharing this page on Facebook and Twitter. The total value of the bonuses today is $1,200. We appreciate the time you have taken with us today. Now click the Facebook and Twitter icons at the bottom of the page and share with your family and friends. Again, this is Dr. Jessica Davis with the Princeton Marketing Agency. I look forward to hearing from you about how Sqribble is changing your life. God bless you.